Hello everyone, people.
В общем, пришел такой вот мелкий пакет, оценен в $1.
In fact, it costs 110 rubles at the time of ordering now.
Сейчас
It costs 708 rubles. In principle, the price has not changed much, so it means there should be a USB cable here.
здесь должен быть USB кабель. USB-A на USB.
To micro USB and 3 micro USBs should come out of one USB.
3 микро-USB. Вот, все, тут больше ничего нету. Значит, вот так.
Such a thing. So this is how it all looks. The quality is of course not very good.
Так, вот так это все выглядит. Качество, конечно, не очень.
Everything is in such a film. You see one input and 3 outputs. So why?
Вход и 3 выхода. Значит, зачем?
Such a splitter is needed.
Он нужен вот для этих вот аккумуляторов на квадрокоптер.
We flew. We changed the batteries and in order not to wait one at a time, for example.
Аккумуляторы поменяли, и чтобы по одному не ждать, допустим,
One charged, then I inserted another, then the next, and here I immediately plugged in 3. That's how it is, right? And I plugged everything into one charge. Now I'll find an extension cord and we'll check if it works or not. I'll check with this USB extension cord. A very good extension cord. So far it's good until it breaks in general a meter link. I'll also leave in the description, so. We plug it into a regular phone charger. One is charging, it's on, you see, so the consumption is only there. Everything is like that. So here it is. Well, I don't know who needs such a thing, of course, but I thought it would be useful. And it's quite convenient, yes. I immediately plugged in 3, because one for about 7 or 8 minutes. That's when it's warm. The quadcopter flies, it works, and then I quickly pulled it out, stood up, the other one and flew on, and that is, they quickly sat down and so as not to wait. You charge it in turns if there is one cord, for example, because not everyone has one, for example, like I have there. A charger with 3 outputs, what to plug in and 3 at once, and not everyone may have 3 wires either, but here you need to buy such a universal tool and not suffer all. So I bought with cashback on cashback links will also be in the description register save by. Well, that's all. Let's go. Bye everyone.